Jai Hind student, welcome in your maths live class. In today's class we will complete only 2 questions. Okay, we will prove 2 questions from exercise 15C, and those questions are question number 6 and 7. So I hope you all are ready with your notebook, classwork notebook. Okay, both the questions we will solve in today's class, and you will see that how these questions proof can be solved, in what are the ways, what we will think to solve such questions. So quickly write down the 6th question, children, not 5th, 6th question, what we have to prove. So let's see the question first. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral, and prove that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. First of all, children, write down the question and then I will show you. Okay. So what we have to prove? We have to prove AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Okay. This we have to prove. This we have to prove. Okay. So wait beta. Question number 6. This is question number 6. Now let's see the board. See, we have to prove that AB plus BC. What is AB? This side. AB plus BC, another side, plus CD, third side of this quadrilateral, and DA, fourth side of this quadrilateral. The sum of all these quadrilateral is greater than AC plus BD. And what is AC and BD, children? So we have drawn this dotted line. It is a diagonal. This is a quadrilateral having 4 side, okay, and if you will join the opposite vertex, that is called as diagonal. So AC is a diagonal and BD is also a diagonal. So the sum of these two diagonal, AC plus BD, the sum of the diagonal is less than, children, is less than AC plus BD beta. So the sum of the diagonals is less than the sum of all the sides. We have not learned such type of property. Have you learned? No, I also. So but what we can do, we can solve it, children, by the things which we know. And what we know, in a triangle we know that the sum of 2 sides is greater than the third side, and this is not a triangle, children. We are learning properties of triangle chapter, but this is a quadrilateral. It is not at all a triangle. But we can assume by using this diagonal we can have some triangles with us. Okay. So now if you will pick this AC diagonal. Which diagonal? AC diagonal. Now we will consider those triangles in which side AC is there. We will consider only those triangles. So let's take this triangle, children, ABC. If you will take A and draw it, if it is possible, draw as a rough diagram, only as a rough diagram, just draw it. What ma'am is drawing? A, B and C. Ma'am is picking the side, the triangle in which AC is the side. AC को हमको लेस करना है. We have to prove that AC side is less than this as well as BD. So first of all we will take such triangles in which AC is present. हम एक ऐसा triangle इस quadrilateral में से we will pick out some triangles. Okay, we will pick out some triangles. See this one. If you will use these two triangle 1 and triangle 2, draw it, children. That will clear your concept after this period also. We will use such triangles, make the diagonal, and now see, you can see this quadrilateral is divided as a 2 triangle. एक triangle ये हो गया and another triangle is this. Okay. So now I am going to use these two triangles in which I will get this AC. ये AC मुझे साइड चाहिए. I need this AC and I will keep it at the lower side. उसको मैं छोटा रखूंगी, ठीक है. And the sum of other two side will be greater. So now let's take AC. If AC is less, which two sides will be greater? AB plus BC. Okay. I am going to pick this triangle. First triangle मैम ने लिया है आपके, and ABC. ABC, and in this ABC triangle, AB plus BC is greater than AC. AC को छोटा रखना है हमको, तो हम AC साइड को छोटा रखेंगे इस ट्राइंगल में, और अदर टू साइड का सम ग्रेटर हो जाएगा. सो नाउ वी विल राइट यूजिंग ट्राइंगल ABC. आपको AC छोटा रखना है, सो कीप AC एज लेफ्ट साइड एंड द सम ऑफ अदर टू साइड AB plus BC. AB plus BC. ओके, दिस विल बी द फर्स्ट वन. इसको आप फर्स्ट इक्वेशन समझ आइए. Is it clear? Why ma'am has taken this triangle? Because ma'am needs a triangle in which this side is AC side होना चाहिए. AC side किस में होगा? ये है AC. This one is AC. So use this triangle and this triangle also. इसमें भी AC है. So now the second time what we will take? We will take ACD. Which triangle I am going to take? ACD. Okay. Now write down using ट्राइंगल. ये लिखना जरूरी है बेटा. यूजिंग ट्राइंगल ACD. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू टेक एज लेस. हमको छोटा कौन सा साइड रखना है? सी दिस AC रखना है, सो टेक AC. AC को छोटा कर दिया, AC. नाउ व्हाट आर द अदर्स टू साइड? इफ AC इज लेस, if AC is less in second triangle, AC is less, so sum of these two side, AD plus DC. So write down, I am going to write CD. सीक्वेंस में लिखेंगे बेटा, इसका सीक्वेंस में CD. ओके, CD प्लस DA, CD प्लस DA. ठीक है ना. अब ये हो गया आपका सेकेंड. So now you will think that why ma'am is taking it 2 times? We need BD na, but if you will use only 1 time, then you will not get all the sides to this side. ये आपको नहीं मिल पाएगा. अगर आप एक ही ट्राइंगल का यूज करते हुए AC को लेस करोगे और फिर उसको आगे यूज करोगे, तो you will not get this type of proof. That's why we have to take it 2 times. अब इसका प्रूफ करने का कोई मेथड नहीं होता बेटा. यू हैव टू थिंक दैट ओके, आई हैव टू चूज AC एंड BD साइड लेस. AC साइड को और BD साइड को वी हैव टू चूज इट एज लेस. क्वाड्रिलेटरल में तो ऐसा कुछ हमने पढ़ा नहीं है अभी तक. वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग, बट वी नो अबाउट ट्राइंगल. We know about triangle that if we are having triangle, then the sum of any 2 sides is greater than the third side. ठीक है. So but AC is not there in this particular quadrilateral. So we have formed this AC by drawing this diagonal. AC को हमने बनाया. कैसे बनाया? By drawing this diagonal. Now after drawing this diagonal, we will get 2 triangle. One triangle is this. उसमें से हमने AC को छोटा करके AB plus BC लिख दिया. ठीक है, this one. Then we have choose this triangle. इसमें भी AC आ रहा है. AC को छोटा रखेंगे because AC is less here. We have to prove. हमें प्रूफ ही यही करना है. हो सकता है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपको कुछ और प्रूफ करना हो, बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन we have to prove that AC is less. So in this triangle where AC is present, अब इसको भूल जाओ आप. See this one, second triangle. AC is present ना, AC है ना इस ट्राइंगल में, सेकेंड ट्राइंगल में. सो AC को लेस कर दो, तो CD प्लस DA वो बड़ा हो जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ द सेकेंड वन. अब AC से तो काम नहीं चलेगा. वी कांट यूज दिस AC एंड AC टू प्रूव दिस इक्वेशन. नो. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, this statement children. So what we will do now, we will take such triangles in which BD is present. अब नेक्स्ट टास्क हमारा आएगा. सो आफ्टर ड्रॉइंग दिस, इसको ड्रॉ करने के बाद नाउ यू ड्रॉ वन मोर. व्हाट? वेयर यू विल गेट, क्या आपको मिलना चाहिए बेटा? वेयर यू विल गेट BD as a side. See those triangle where you will get BD as a side. इसमें तो कोई भी, इसमें ट्राइंगल ही नहीं है, ये तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल है. So we have to draw such lines where we will get a triangle in which BD is a side. ठीक है. So now I am going to take this BD. इस BD को join करेंगे हम. We will join this particular diagonal. Okay. ये drawing, ये आप इसको join करिए ऐसे join करिए. ठीक है. Now after joining this diagonal, ये diagonal है बेटा. After joining this diagonal, you get two triangles. मिल गया आपको. This is third one and this one is fourth triangle. दो triangle मिल गए. After joining this BD, this is a diagonal. You can join it, children, and you are having triangles because we know the triangle concept. So BD, now BD, we will choose this triangle and we will make this BD side as less. अब इसी triangle को आप choose करिए. ठीक है. सिर्फ consider this triangle only. Which triangle? DAB. सिर्फ ये ट्राइंगल आप चूज कीजिए. ठीक है. और इसमें लेस करना है आपको दिस साइड BD साइड को लेस करना है. क्यों करना है? इट इज इन द स्टेटमेंट दैट वी हैव टू प्रूफ. हमें प्रूफ ही यही करना है कि BD साइड लेस है. सो ठीक है. BD साइड इज लेस देन द सम ऑफ अदर टू साइड. सो लिखते हैं. ठीक है. सो using triangle, which triangle, children? ABD. Okay. किसको लेस करना है बेटा? BD को लेस करना है. BD is less than AB plus DA. AB plus DA. ठीक है. This is the third one. And now the fourth part. अब fourth part में हम क्या लेंगे बेटा? ये this one. I will take this triangle where I will have this BD as a side and I will take this BD side as lesser. हम इसको छोटा रखेंगे to prove this. So now using triangle, which one? BCD. Using triangle BCD, what we have to choose as less? BD को choose करना है less. इसको less choose करना है तो sum of other two side क्या हो गया? This one. This is the sum of other two side. BC plus CD. BC plus CD. ये बड़ा हो गया. ठीक है. This is the fourth one. Now in this way, by using four triangles, first we have used the AC triangle and we have shown these two statements. Then we have used BD as a side. We have divided this quadrilateral into two triangles so that we can use this property. Sides are less than some of other sides, and then we can have two more statements. Now we will add all. हम क्या करेंगे बेटा? We will add because individually they are not satisfying our proof. So we will add them. अब बोलोगे मैम ऐड करने पे तो twice आ जाएगा. Okay, just do it. इसी को प्रूफ कहते हैं बेटा. You have to think and you have to do in that way. So let's do it. And if we will get twice, then maybe at other end also we will get something more so that we can cancel out. So now what your ma'am is going to do? I am going to erase this only the first one because this is given in the book question also. Okay. And now add. When you will add, so you will write adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. We get adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is it visible? No, it is not visible. I think now it is visible. Adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. What we will get? So now I am going in this way. I think it is clear. Now add all LHS. AB plus BC, CD plus DA, AB plus DA and BC plus CD. Add all these first. Okay, so on left hand side I am going to add all the left hand side part. AB plus BC, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, CD plus DA. Okay, plus AB plus DA, AB plus DA plus BC plus CD, BC plus CD. Okay, all are added. Now add the right hand side part. So now add AC plus AC, BD plus BD. Add this AC plus AC, BD plus BD. Sign will be same, children. It will be the same sign. So AC plus AC, BD plus BD. Okay. So after adding this, we get this particular statement. Now what we will do, children? Is it visible? I don't think it is visible. Okay, now I think it is visible. I have added all the left hand side part, AB plus BC, this one, CD plus DA, okay, AB plus DA, and the last one, BC plus CD, this one, is greater than all RHS, AC plus AC, BD plus BD, AC plus AC, BD plus BD, सब ऐड हो गया, ठीक है. Now let's see the result after adding. After adding, what we will get? Now I have to erase such parts. Now see beta. AB. Is there any other AB? Light term? AB. AB. Yes. Any other? No. Till here you will search. So AB plus AB. How many AB? 2 AB. Plus BC, children. Go for another BC. Search it. BC. BC is there. Yes. One more BC. So twice of BC. We are adding now. So it will become 2. Twice. Now CD. CD. Go for another CD. Yes. We are having 2 CDs. Plus. Last one is DA. And one more DA. So twice of DA is greater than. Now RHS part. AC plus AC means twice of AC, plus BD plus BD means twice of BD. Still our statement is, we are moving towards our statement, but it's still there is some steps which is left. Now children, twice, all are common now, so you can take out as common twice. What is left? AB plus BC plus twice, बाहर चला गया ना, twice is common, so 2 is common. So now what is left? CD plus from here 2 is now outside the bracket, so DA. So DA, okay, is greater than. From here also 2 is common, so we can take 2 as out, and AC plus BD. Now you can see 2 is and 2 both are common, so it can be cancel out. It can be cancel out either directly, ऐसे cancel कर सकते हैं आप. So hence therefore AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. This we have to prove, and now you will write hence proved. Hence proved. I think children it is clear to you. It's a lengthy question, that's why I have picked only 2 questions for this particular class. Revise it if any step is not clear to you. The link will be open, you can revise it. Okay, now next question. See the next question, beta. So the next question is this one. Question number 7. All of you please write down in your notebook. Draw the diagram. Draw the diagram, children. Now children, see the question. I think you are able to see the question. If O is a point in the exterior of triangle ABC. O क्या है? This is a exterior point of triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle and one point O is there. Not inside, outside the triangle, that is exterior. Show that twice of OA, let me write down. Question number 7. Twice of OA plus OB plus OC, OB plus OC, okay, twice of all these is greater than AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. Children, this we have to draw. And now you can see the hint also, as the diagram is also giving you a hint. only the triangle is ABC, triangle आपका सिर्फ ABC है बेटा, but they have already drawn a point O which is outside the triangle ABC. Okay, we are having ABC a triangle. Question में सिर्फ ABC ही is a triangle, ABC, and they have drawn a point O which is outside AB. इस triangle के बाहर बना हुआ है ना? So see, it is outside, and already they have joined it. Why they have joined it? In the question also they have joined. Why, children? So that a little bit hint should be given to you that how to solve such questions. Now, as the question says, what we have to prove? Twice of OA plus OB plus OC. So from where OA, OB, OC we will get? हमारे पास तो triangle ABC ही है ना? We are having a triangle ABC. We are having a triangle ABC, so we will draw it and a point O outside. This is given. This is given. But they are saying that OA plus OB. So from where we will get these sides? OA तो है ही नहीं. Only side is AB, BC and AC. OA is no side. Only they have given that O is an exterior point. So we have to join. We have to join these 2 points so that we will get OA. ऐसे हमें OA मिलेगा. Then we will have OC in this way, OC, and we will have OB in this way. So that's why I have, this is rough diagram, no need to focus here. See this, हमने एक point O exterior में लिया बेटा, and now we have joined OA so that we will get this side OA. Join OC मिल जाएगा and OB, so we will have this. ठीक है? And they said that the sum of these is greater than AB plus BC plus CA. So children, think which side is you have to choose as less? AB, another one BC, and another one CA. And we will choose AB as less side. AB as less side. अब मान लो आपको यही ले लो बेटा, ठीक है? A B C है ना? Choose AB as less side. Choose AB, this one. Choose AB as less side. Left side ले लो. तो sum of other 2 sides will be BC plus AC. Sum of other 2 side will be BC plus AC. But here BC and AC is there. क्या आपको कहीं BC और AC दिख रहा है? No. No. So we will not pick this triangle in which AB side is present, but these sides are not present. हम ऐसा triangle नहीं pick करेंगे. Why we will pick? We have to choose this AB as less. ठीक है? So AB is there in this triangle. ये भी ठीक है. But the greater side is OA, OB and OC. इनमें से कोई एक side greater side है. So if you will choose this particular triangle and you will make it less AB, then the sum of other 2 side is AB plus AC plus BC. ये 2 साइड बड़ी हो जाएंगी. बट ये तो प्रूफ ही नहीं करना है. These sides are not there in our statement. So we will not choose this triangle, children. Rather we will choose the triangle in which AB is present. AB तो present हो, but OA, OB, OC, these sides will be there. हम ऐसा triangle choose करेंगे. So can we choose this particular first one? ये देखो सिर्फ ये. अब मैम is going to erase this. ये see this triangle ABO. ABO. Let me draw. Okay. O on this one. Okay. And this is B. This is A. I have picked this triangle, first triangle, and I have drawn here. ये first triangle मैम ने आपका ले लिया. And now choose AB as less. Yes. ले सकते हैं. AB को less ले लिया. ठीक है. So other 2 sides will be what? Other 2 sides will be BO and AO. ठीक है? Other 2 sides will be BO नहीं OA plus OB. उसी सीक्वेंस में लिखिए बेटा, ठीक है? OA and OB. Yes. इन दोनों का sum, the sum of the 2 sides will be greater than the third side. Yes, it can. So I will choose this triangle so that I can fulfill LHS as well as RHS criteria. मुझे ABCCA नहीं चाहिए यहाँ पे, मुझे OA, OB, OC चाहिए. So I will choose such triangle where AB is present as well as these sides were present which we need. So what you will write beta? You will write using triangle ABC OB using triangle AOB. What you have to choose as less? AB. AB को लेस करना है. क्यों करना है? We have to prove this statement. So other two sides are OA plus OB. OA plus OB. This is first question. Okay. Now the second one. अब इसको ले लो. Use this. ठीक है. BC because BC less लेना है हमको. Okay. BC is less. Okay. The second one. BC we have to choose a triangle in which BC is present. ठीक है. BC present होना चाहिए. ले लिया हमने ये. This triangle children. इसको छोड़ दो आप. Choose this triangle. BC. BC is there. Yes. And the other two sides is OC and OB. ठीक है. ये रहा. मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. कोई बात नहीं. चलेगा. ठीक है. So I am going to take this triangle. Okay. BOC. Using triangle BOC. Now what we have to choose as less? इस triangle में BOC में हमको BC लेस करना है ना? See this, BC लेस करना है तो BC को लेस कर देते हैं. BC is less from the sum of other two side. तो other two side इस triangle की कौन सी हो गई? If BC is less, then OC and OB. OC and OB. The sum of OC and OB. This is second triangle. Second one. ठीक है. Now the third one. Third में हमें CA लेना है बेटा. CA. We have to take CA. So now which triangle ma'am will choose? Not this one. Now ma'am will choose this triangle. ये. This triangle. AC तो मिल गया हमको. ठीक है. We will have this AC. It's not straight. Is it straight? Okay, leave it. It is. I think it is straight. So I will choose this AC. AC. I will choose this AC. AC. A triangle AC. Okay. ऐसे. ठीक है. हो गया. It look nice ना? If it will be straight. So I will choose AC. AC और CA. ये triangle choose करेंगे. ठीक है. और OC और OA मिल जाएगा हमको from this triangle. So which side should be less? This AC. इसको भूल जाओ आप. Leave it. Leave it. Only write down this triangle. So using triangle AOC हमको रखना है AC is less और CA लिख सकते हो आप इसको. CA is less. Both are same. ठीक है. So what are the other two sides which are greater? OC and OA. OA plus OC. ठीक है. Come on. Now imagine what you have to do. What you have to do children? You need the sum of AB plus BC plus CA. AB यहाँ से मिल गया. BC and CA. So if you will add these three, then you will definitely have AB plus BC plus CA on RHS. And on this side we will have the sum of these sides. ठीक है. This plus this plus this. So after this statement, what will be our next part is? Our next part is children adding first, second and third. We get what we get children? What we will get? Just add the left hand side. This plus this plus this. इन तीनों को ऐड करते हैं. OA plus OB, OC plus OB and this last one. So OA plus OB plus OC plus OB, OC plus OB, and the third one is OA plus OC. OA plus OC. Okay. Is greater than. It is greater than what? AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. ठीक है. Add the left hand side. पहले left hand side add करिए and then add the right hand side. Now erase it. Now the next part. OA. Is there any other OA? Yes, OA. So twice of OA plus OB. One more OB is there. OB and OB. So twice of OB plus OC and one more OC is there. So twice of OC is greater than AB plus BC plus CA. यहाँ पर ये अकेले हैं बेटा, ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस सी ए, सो वी कांट ऐड, ऑल आर डिफरेंट, वी कांट ऐड, वी कैन ऐड ओनली द लाइक वन। ओ ए को ओ ए के साथ ऐड कर सकते हैं, ओ बी को ओ बी के साथ। हाँ, सो नाउ 2 2 and 2 कॉमन, सो टेक 2 एज आउटसाइड, ओ ए प्लस ओ बी प्लस ओ सी इज ग्रेटर देन ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस सी, and this is what you have to prove. This is what you have to prove. Okay, add these, you will get twice of these things. 2 2 2, everywhere 2 is common, so take 2 as outside, common है तो outside निकाल लो, twice of in a bracket this is greater than AB plus BC plus C. So the basic point is, children, you have to think that which side you have to choose as less, pick that triangle only and see the other two sides also, are they in this side, left hand side or not. If then only consider those triangle to solve your query. And I think you can see this question, children. Okay, add it, okay, and you will get your proof. So now I think the concepts are clear to you. If not, you have to replay this video again. Till then, children, take care. Just see the video, clear the concept, understand it, and then do it by your own. Then it will increase your confidence. Okay, take care, children.